Hey guys, welcome back. HTS Motorsports here. So we're working on some projects right now. We got Josh's heads off the rear-wheel drive Civic. You know, we had this problem out in Topeka where we blew up the ring and pinion, and then unfortunately came back to Colorado where it's cold and forgot to take the water out of the car. So right now we're working on the heads, trying to get these babies back together. Had a little bit of an issue where we pushed the freeze plugs out of the head. I got them back installed and we're gonna get these babies back together. Kansas, Josh talked about we forgot some water in this car, and unfortunately, but fortunately, all I did was push out the freeze plugs, these guys right there. So we're reinstalling them. Gonna put the cam, which I just got done polishing, and the rocker arm assembly and everything back in there, and get this car back on the road to an 8-second pass. If you watch the videos from before, we already did the ring and pinion change. So I got one more head to do and they check out, no warpage. Everything's looking good so far. So we're gonna go ahead and get these babies cleaned up, put back together, put back in the car. Hopefully be ready for the 26th. We're gonna have Josh's car, the rear-wheel drive Civic, and my car, the 96 Acura Integra. Hopefully both, at least mine in the 9 seconds, Josh in the 8 seconds. So keep watching. I have a couple things coming. Good to see you guys. I know it's been a few. Anyways, so Josh is here. We're putting her back together. We went ahead and put some epoxy over those freeze plugs just to ensure that they don't pop out of there. Josh is getting a little pre-lube before we put it back together, so we're not putting together dry cylinder heads. Very important, right, Josh?
Yes, it is.
Pre-assembly lube. We love the lube, which will be on the lube tube.
So dirty.
So dirty, he says. So yeah, we're getting these together. Got everything cleaned up. Got the cams all nice and polished. So we got any of the rust and debris off of them. So we've been putting these back together, getting them installed, getting this thing ready for some 8-second passes. I don't know about you, Josh. I'm ready for them.
I'm ready too.
Me too. So keep watching. Good to see you. All right, so we got them all back together, got them assembled. Everything's looking real good. We're gonna go ahead and check valve clearance with these guys and make sure we're adjusted really good so we're not too tight, not too loose, so we can make some boost and make some power. Back together, so. Thanks for joining us again. I know it's been a while. We haven't put nothing up too long, but we'll keep posting some stuff. We've got some really cool stuff going on, so thanks for watching, guys.